I want to show you a quick picture of that. If you don't defrost your refrigerator when you live in a trailer, look at this ice builds up on here. I have a little portable heater that defrosts it. This is bad though. You're supposed to do this every like couple months, because you can break the refrigerator, you know. And these things are very expensive. If you break the refrigerator or it goes out on you, they're about $5 grand. Somebody told me, that's how I know. I cleaned out the refrigerator. Well, it had ice up in there. But I gotta hurry up because it's not gonna last too long. But anyways, yeah, I just wanted to give you a quick heads up. I don't know how much more longer I'm gonna be up in this trailer, man. Hopefully soon, huh? You wanna see Snoopy? There's Snoopy! What you doing, Snoop? Just chilling? Huh? I'm just chilling like a villain. Okay, that's enough. Show you the end result. It's clean. See these little things right here are supposed to be clear. Got my turkey in here. Favorite orange juice. See, these things are supposed to be clean. See up here, it builds up the ice up here. It's bad, because then it'll put a hole in here. You don't defrost it, you know, because you live in a trailer. So well, I live in a trailer, but these things are supposed to. I'm glad it still works, the refrigerator. But anyways, yeah, it's clean, so. Yeah, voila. There's my pie in there. She's hiding. Anyways, that's it, folks.